Meaning of home economics.
Home economics.
Home economics.
Home economics.
Home economics. Home economics refers to the study of how to manage and care for a household, including food preparation, nutrition, sewing, clothing care, and other related topics. It is an interdisciplinary field that combines elements of science, art, and business to help individuals and families maintain a healthy and comfortable lifestyle at home. Home economics education also includes instruction on personal finance, child development, and consumer skills. Overall, the goal of home economics is to equip individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to create a happy, healthy, and sustainable home environment.